Is that beautiful, Minda? Over there.
I think it's very beautiful.
Yeah, I agree. We should come here again.
Wow.
All right, let's go home.
It's so shiny.
Hi, today I'd like to suggest a way for you to mount the GoPro camera for taking a picture from the side view. You can drive and also hold the camera on your hand to take some video from the side view, but that could be dangerous while you are driving, so I have a solution. First, you must have a suction cup with two extra joints. One is long, one is short, and then hook them up together, and then you put in the camera, the GoPro, and then after that you put the suction cup onto the window of the car, and here is the result. Enjoy.เดี๋ยวเราลงไปเราจะต้องใส่แมสไหมลูกจ้าได้มีแมสผ้าใช่ไหมโอเค good
เขาเป็นผ้ายืดค่ะผ้ายืด
ใส่สบายไหมจ๊ะOh, really? How do you know? Oh, really? It's Venice, na?อะไรน่ารักลูกเป็ดเหรอไหนลูก
ระฆังมันไปแล้วนะ
ไปแล้วเหรอ
มัน6 โมงแล้ว
let's go